In today's video, I'm going to talk about why making 10K a month online is much easier than you think. Now, a lot of you might think making 10K a month is really difficult or it might even be impossible. In fact, I remember one client telling me, oh, that's a dream. And the thing is, you guys can make 10K a month online. One of the things that holds you back is the idea that you think you can't make it, right? But in this video, I'm going to break it down and explain to you why it's actually easier than you think and how anyone can literally start the business model that I'm going to mention in today's video and literally start making money, right? Now, if you are new watching this, my name is Alim and I left the UK nearly 2 years ago now. And I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, right? I took the biggest risk of my life and I started this business model that I'm going to talk about in this video today. And it completely changed my life, right? In fact, when I first started this business, I made 10K in my first month of doing it. And this kind of showed me what's actually possible, right? Because I was also like a lot of you guys who were thinking that, oh, to make 10K a month online, it must be really difficult. It must be really hard, right? But to be honest, it isn't that hard. It's actually easier than most of you think. Now, yes, you still need to put in hard work. Yes, you still need to, put in the grind, put in the shift. However, if you do the right actions, you will make 10K a month online, and it's a lot easier than most of you think. And just a quick one, guys, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of my program, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll happily jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Now, I'm going to explain the business model, but before I explain the business model, what you guys first need to understand is that before you start business, before you start anything online, you need to be able to be in a position where your mindset is correct, okay? Now, I know this is one of those things where people just throw around, but it is very, very true. Your mindset is so, so important. You cannot go into business with the mindset that it's not going to work, it's not going to work, it's not going to work, because guess what? It won't work, right? You need to have that mindset, that foundation in your mind that you are going to start making money online and you are going to be able to do it, and that you can hit 10K a month, you can hit more than 10K a month, you can maybe hit 20K, 30K, right? Go into business with an open mind. In fact, I would even argue, be a little bit delusional, right? And the reason why I say you should be delusional is it's that saying, right? Shoot for the stars, end up on the moon. Either way, you'll be happy. So aim for 10K, aim for 20K, right? If you hit 5K, if you hit 6K, you'll still be happy, right? For most people, that will replace their job. So making 10K a month online is actually easier than you think, but you need to also have that in your mind that, okay, it is easier. It is easier. I can do it. And just that shift alone gives you like a 50% more chance that you're actually going to do it, right? Now, what business model should you do? Because, okay, making 10K a month online, you might be in the right mind frame for it, but what business should you do? What business model works, okay? Now, I'm going to go from personal experience because I'm actually someone that tried a bunch of different business models. I've tried drop shipping, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've even tried to do YouTube full time, right? And yeah, I made some money with those business models and not all of them were great. What I realized was that, okay, instead of doing all of these business models, the best business model that anyone can do is by starting their own coaching program. Okay, now a coaching program basically allows you to sell your skills or knowledge to high ticket clients. Okay, so if you've got a particular skill or you've got a particular type of knowledge that you can actually pass on down to someone else, well, you can actually charge someone $2, $3, $4, $5, or even $6,000 and literally make so much money. Okay, now, literally, I'll give you some examples, okay? There's a woman in Dubai teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month, okay? And knitting is not a high level skill. There's someone that teaches people to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around, I think it's 80 grand a month or 90 grand a month, something along those lines. And there are so many other people as well, right? In doing this business model and teaching people and are just making so much money. And look, the way you guys got to understand this is if you charge $5,000, for example, right? You only need 2 clients to make 10 grand a month. Or if you charge $3,000, well, you only need 3 clients to make around 9 grand a month, right? So when you charge a high ticket, you can literally make so much money. Now, that doesn't mean that what you're teaching, the value isn't there. No, you're going to have the value, right? Everyone has a skill. And a lot of people think they don't have the skill, right? This is something I hear a lot, where they think they don't have the skill, or in fact, they think they have a skill, but they're actually better at something else. So this is something I teach in my coaching program, by the way. And if you do need any help with starting your own online business where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, if you start this program, right, and you identify your skill, let's say you identify your skill, okay, cool. So let's say, for example, I don't know, you're helping people get a six-pack. Now, you can charge $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 for it, okay? Now, how do you market that? How do you actually get clients in? Well, the best way to actually do that is by starting a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube is single-handedly one of the best social media platforms out there, especially for business owners, right? So if you start an online business, YouTube is the best way to build a personal brand, so you can actually get clients into your business and they will come directly from YouTube. You can speak to people at scale, right? So for example, if this video gets 100 views, well, I've spoken to 100 people on a one-to-one basis and it's only taken me, what, 10 minutes of my time? So this is why YouTube is so powerful, right? And you should definitely have a YouTube channel because that's going to get you clients. All you then need to do is then have your landing page in the description of your YouTube channel and get people to click on that link so they can end up booking a call with you, right? And then you jump on a call and you try and close the clients. Now, obviously, there is a lot more to it. Obviously, this is just sort of a very simplified version of it. And I do have a more in-depth video, right, which I completely break it down, which I will link at the end of this video. But what my point is in this video is that it is very easy. Well, let me phrase that again. It is easier than you think to make 10K a month online. Because guys, I remember when I was working my 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right? And if I had made $1,000 online or maybe even $2,000 and I used to tell someone about it, they used to lose their mind. I remember telling someone once that I made $1,000 online and he was like, flipping heck, you made $1,000? And I'm like, yeah, like I didn't think it was a big deal at the time because I was like, okay, cool, I want to make more money. But yeah, I mean, if I told anyone at my workplace, they lost their mind. They're like, you made $1,000? Like, that's a lot. And in my head, I'm thinking, well, yeah, but that's not even close to where I want to be. You know what I'm trying to say? So it just showed me that their mindset is what's holding them back. Because if they believed they could start something online and make $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 a month, well, they would do it. Like, it is literally as simple as firstly believing that you can do it and then actually going out, doing the action required and actually achieving it, right? Now, this is where mentorship is very important. Now, just before I get into that point, if you guys do need any help, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month online by helping you start this business model or even scale it. Click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I will jump on a call and we'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, back to my point. Mentorship is extremely important because look, if you knew what was required to make 10K a month online, you would do it, right? And most times it's that you guys don't have the knowledge. You don't know how to do it. You don't know where to start. And this is why you should look at mentorship. And this is exactly what I did. When I moved to Dubai, I ended up hiring a mentor who actually helped me tremendously. In fact, I wouldn't be where I am today without him, okay? So hire someone, pay someone money to learn the skills required to start this business or start another business so you can actually make money online, right? Because guys, if you don't know the knowledge required, then what's going to happen is you're going to waste 2-3 years wasting time going through all the mistakes when you can literally pay someone money, right? You can pay someone a few $1,000s and learn the information required so you don't make the mistakes. You do things in much quicker time frame. So rather than it taking you 3 years, it only takes you 3 months. And you can just apply that knowledge and start a business and make money straight away. Like, why would you waste 3 years when you could just pay a few $1,000s, which everyone has, by the way, right? Everyone has some money that they can actually invest in themselves with. So pay that money, invest in yourself, get some help, and then you can literally use that money to make more money. Like, what baffles me is a lot of people pay for university, right? And you don't get anywhere close to an ROI compared to like investing in yourself. You pay $9,000 a year in uni, right? Let's say you even learn business. You're going to learn business from someone that's never done business. He's a lecturer, right? Why not spend that, well, even a fraction of that money to someone else who's actually doing that business and actually making money and living the life you want to live, and then doing that and then getting results straight away? Like, it baffles me when people prioritize university, a degree, a piece of paper that just puts you more and more debt compared to investing in yourself where you can actually see results straight away. So this is why making 10K a month online is easier than you think. It's just that you're taking the wrong actions. It's just that your mindset isn't correct. And it's just that you're not taking action on the right thing. If you just fix these things, well, you guys will start making money straight away. And again, it's extremely, extremely easy. I wish I knew this when I was a lot younger because I'd be a lot further ahead in life. But again, guys, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and literally scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. And if you guys want to see a full in-depth video on this business model, well, click the video that you see in front of your screen and I'll see you guys there.